If you want to change system colors on Samsung Galaxy A17, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Now in Settings, we can scroll down a little bit until you find Wallpaper and Style. And then here we have the Color Palette option, which allows us to change system colors. By enabling Color Palette, you should be able to see the difference. So here we have before and after. As you can see, we have more colors. And you can also choose different colors based on the wallpaper. You can also go to basic colors, for example, in order to choose something here. And you can also apply the palette to app icons. However, unfortunately, not every app will be working with this theme. So if I apply it, most, if not almost every third-party app will not be affected by this change. But let's see how it looks like. There we go, it has been changed. We can see that, for example, the font is more bluish over here. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.